Alright, back. I've got a Bunkerhill security lock. It says circular padlock 2 3/4. Okay. Let's open it up and see what's going on. Looks like we got some keys. I really couldn't see the bidding. I was trying to pick up some high-low. Ooh, I got some nice bidding in the back. That's kind of what I was looking for. It's kind of hard to see in there. Is that Harbor Freight? Okay, looks like it works. All right. Hardened, so stainless steel on it. Stainless steel on the back. Okay, let's just try tension wrench. This is I made this out of a windshield wiper insert. Kind of tapered it. Okay. As always, I'm just gonna try to zip it first. Since I mean, if I can get into this thing without having to work, that'd be nice. Ooh. No. It's kind of a small keyway up there. So I don't think we're getting into it like that. There's some spring tension on this core, but this thing is not. Huh. What I'm doing to this lock. All right, let's find out. Not sure how many. It's springy. I think I'm oversetting the pins in the front and not getting to the pin in the back. I didn't get nothing on that. It's like really okay. Doing here. Okay, so there's no. Doesn't want me to tension it in the top of the keyway. I'm getting nowhere with that one. Alright, let's see if we can. Alright, we'll use some bra tension wrench. Okay. It's got like a spring on that core. That's weird. Let's see if I can rake up a false set with this diamond. Okay. Back over to a little bit of single picking. Wow. It's kind of got a paracentric keyway. It means this keyway extends where it's really small to work in. I mean, it's a good. Oh wow. Okay. I lost whatever I had. There is a lot of spring tension on this thing. It's kind of hard for me to get feedback like that. Okay. That tension wrench is just too small. Let's try just another tension wrench. I don't even know if this has got security pins. I can't even get any feedback. Okay. I have a lot of tension in here. Oh. Well, I broke my best hook. That sucks. Hook is gone. Okay. This is another broken pig that I kind of turned into a hook. And I've done a lot of picking with that one hook. Bound to give out sooner or later. There's some counter rotation. Maybe that's a spool. Where am I at time-wise? 6 minutes? Okay. Okay, I can get manipulation. I'm just bending that. Alright, so... Okay, here's a small hook. I don't think I'm gonna get this back far enough or up high enough with this hook. Maybe I can find out what's going on in the front of this lock. Okay, a little counter rotation. Yeah, this thing has spools in it and it has a really weird spring. I don't know how I'm gonna get to that back one on my latest. My best hook is gone. I mean, that's my hook. Maybe I set it with a wire. There I am, hitting the camera. I'm trying to set this back pin with a wire. Yeah, I'm done. There you go. I got nothing. Bunkerhill. That's a good look.